Hello again, it's Noob, and well, you won't believe the awesome things a couple of members of the lockpicking community have sent through to me in the post recently. I just have to show this off. I was sort of blown away by the generosity of these two people. It's hard to know where to start, but well, let's start with the big one. It's so big a package, in fact, that it's extremely hard for me to get it all on camera. But hopefully you can sort of see what it is. This was sent to me by Thumper, by the way. And this is a flex shaft grinder carver. Completely did not know this was coming. Massive surprise. But you know, it's very, very cool. As you know, I make a lot of things, so this would probably come very, very useful in fine detailing. So it's obviously, there's the motor unit, there's the variable speed control, and there it is. So imagine like a rotary multi-tool, but easier to hold in the hand for finer detailed work. And what's nice about this one, it actually has a variable chuck on it instead of like some kind of collect which you twist down, which I think is going to be a lot easier to use. That's super cool. Completely did not expect this, and I'm sure I will get some great use out of it in some upcoming projects. So thank you, Thumper, so much for that. Now, here is a little box, and this took, unfortunately due to various postal issues, 50 days to get to me. 50 days, but we got there in the end. And what is inside? Well, it was worth every single day of waiting. Again, had no idea. I say that, I had no idea it was coming, so for me I was just like, when I got notified I had a parcel, I was like, really? I wasn't expecting that, but just look at this. So, I mean, let's get to the thing which we can all see first. Now, no joke, I've wanted one of these in my collection forever. I just never really took the plunge in paying for them because they're pretty expensive locks, but so cool. This is a Mauer MG, also known as a Mauer Redline, and the various Mauer Redlines, so it's a bit of a misnomer, but this, you can see, is a through key. I think if you align it properly to about there, you'll see that you actually only engage with, on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 pins, I think, or 3 pins, and then another pin on the tip. And then from the other side, which will be the interior side, because it has less pins, I think it has 4, I think. You can see here how you engage 1, 2, 3, and then at the tip 4, something like that. I mean, I'd have to explore, but you can see that basically the tip has to engage with pins the other side of the cam. I'll have to look on YouTube to see if anybody's ever picked one and tried to pick some hints and tips off them. But look at that, and of course it drives only that side of the lock, not that side, because it seems to be a split core here, so it only turns this last part, which I believe has a pin in, and vice versa. Let's try the other way around from the interior side. The interior side though does turn the outer side, but that would make sense. There we go. Anyway, so cool. Just really awesome. And this was, by the way, I didn't even say who it was sent by. That's really remiss of me, isn't it? This was sent by another member of the community, Starrylock, who I'm sure loads of you will know. And Starrylock must have read my mind, genuinely read my mind, because I really have wanted this lock for such a long time. Anyway, so that's really awesome. What else do we have here? Well, you'll be looking at this and going, here is an American lock, but still looking normal, yeah, but not so normal now. I don't think I've ever seen one of these. I think you can get them with a brass shackle, so it's like anti-spark, aluminium body and brass shackle, but I don't think I've ever held one or seen one in real life. So really cool, and I love American locks. Honestly, one of the nicest locks to pick once you get used to them. They are superb. So really excited about that. Certainly a brilliant one for any collection. If you collect your American locks, which I do, a brass shackle version is a real, well, for me, a rarity, since we don't get American locks in the UK. Amazon used to do them for a little while, then they stopped. I guess it was a a particular seller who's giving it a go. Let's do it in order then. This is really cool. This is one of the new blue Mako locks, which have an amazing colour on. That Starrylock's logo there for his channel. And these are great locks, genuinely great locks. These are the Mako, is it the 425, I think? They're genuinely lovely, lovely locks. Similar to the American locks, very stiff core. And really, really nice, genuinely nice locks indeed. And last but not least, look at how cute this is. Look, look, look. Just going to tip it out. Oh, put the box there actually. Look at that. This is an American lock, but an old one. And look, it's teeny tiny, all brass. Look how cute that is. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, a 5-pin, not bad bitting either, 5-pin core. Look at that, just lovely, just so cute. Double ball bearing mechanism as well in this little 30mm padlock. I mean, how gorgeous is that little lock? So lovely. So yeah, Thumper, Starrylock, you have outdone yourselves. Just superb stuff in there, and I thank you very, very much for sending it my way. Really, really awesome of you. So I was just about to close off the video and I had a bit of an idea I probably should have had early on in the video, but you know what, it's never too late. I thought, well, you know what, I want to give this lovely lock its little day in the spotlight, but I've already picked the blue Mako Locks 425. So I thought, actually, if I throw it into this video, then it'll just be a nice bonus, won't it? So I picked out a nice tension tool which fits this lock and provides tension bottom of the keyway. Normally I'll go top of the keyway on this lock, but I thought, you know, give it a go. And a Peterson Gem 18,000th. So yeah, you know what? Let this lock live its destiny and have a nice picking. It just seems such a shame to not give. I can't really give it its own video because I've picked this lock a few times, but not this particular lock, but you know, the A425, the silver one, and I think Legal Lock Pickers one. So, but you know, I don't want to upset the poor lock. Imagine if it, you know, travelled all this way from America and wanted to, you know, to be on video, and I never gave it its chance. I mean, I just feel so cruel for not doing it. And if you've lasted this long in the video, then hey, you deserve a treat as well. So anyway, I don't know where we are in the picking now. I've been chatting away to you. Oh, we're there in the picking. There we go. We got an open. If you want to know more about this lock and what's inside and it is a great lock, the 425, then you should definitely go check out my video on Legal Lock Pickers, one of these. Really great locks and lovely pins inside, and who doesn't like this beautiful blue colour? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you got this far, I really hope you enjoyed the bonus, and I'll see you all next time.